In today's video, I'll be teaching you how to get the iconic iPod on your iPhone and on your Android phone. Let's begin. This video was brought to you by my TikTok channel, where I've been doing a lot of fresh content lately, so do make sure to check it out. Link shall be in the description below. And welcome back, guys. Emmanuel from Geekception if you're new here, and if you're returning, thank you so much. Have a seat. Let's get started. The iPod was a classic music device that changed the entire music landscape when it was launched. And as a kid, I couldn't afford it because Apple devices were just so expensive. I mean, they still kind of are. So I was pleased to find this website that actually turns your web browser, or in this case your phone, into like an iPod player. Let's get into it. On iOS, the first thing we want to do is go to this website right here. And then I want you to tap on the share icon below. Select add to home screen. For me, I would rename it just to iPod and then click add. Go to your home screen and the icon should be there. And the advantage of having it like this is that it launches as if it was an app you installed, which is super cool. And the first thing you want to do is set it up with either your Spotify or your Apple Music. For me, I'll be signing in with Apple Music right here. And after you're successfully signed in, you are presented with the classic iPod interface, where you have the cover flow for all of your music. For some reason, you even have like the break game. And under settings, you can even change the theme between 3 theme options: silver, black, or the U2 edition. To set it up on Android, open your Chrome browser and go to this website. Tap on the 3-dot menu at the top and tap on add to home screen. For me, I rename it into iPod and click add. Find the iPod icon and tap on it. You can log into your favorite music service of choice and you are good to go. Android versus iOS. And I'd have to say on Android, the experience is superior here because you actually feel the vibration when you scroll on the scroll wheel right there, which is super cool. So that is how you get the classic iPod on your iOS device or on your Android device. Please do tell me if you used an iPod in the past, if you're going to try this out, or what are some of the other tech tips that you have just like this in the comment section down there below. I've been Emmanuel, this is Geekception, and I'll catch you in the next one. Don't forget to stay awesome. Bye!